Okay, we're gonna kill the shopkeeper. Go! It's the battle of the ages. Oh, I think we're gonna do it. Eden, are you still there?
Yeah, I'm double stimming myself.
Oh my god, I think it's gonna happen. Remember, I have the doctor book. I can heal you like 600 points when we need to. Is the other merchant attacking us?
Nope.
Oh my god, it's gonna work! It's gonna happen! Ah! Wait, I don't know, I might run out of nano. You might want to stim me because I can keep you alive.
Okay, I mean 10 seconds until I can stim.
Okay, wait, I just aggroed. Okay, she's not responding to the aggression tool, so.
Here, I'm stimming you.
Oh, you're gonna die. You're gonna die! Okay, no, you're not.
Stimming. Oh, it's too close.
Oh! We need more healers. We need, okay, I can take aggro now. We just have to recycle. Recycle who gets aggro, right? Oh shit, she hurts hard! Get the enforcer back. Maybe we should try to get aggro on the fixer.
Yeah, try.
Can I jump in there? Ow! One hit killed 80% of my life. Oh, it's probably because I'm on full ag. Okay. Are you on full def?
Not full def, but I'm down there.
Oh, shit. I'm using my last stim. Okay, send beat back in.
Okay, I can stim you.
Oh. Ugh. Oh.
Here, let my fixer tank. My fixer was tanking fine.
I wonder if the... Oh, get beat out of there. Run! Alright, is your fixer getting aggro yet?
It's now. Oh, don't die.
No! 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 Oh! Oh, I am running hack and quack. That helps a bit. That's kind of cheating, but you know.
Okay, you're full nano again.
Okay, cool. I think we're gonna do it. So get back in there. I'm gonna stand here. Can she hit? Oh, you just have to stand here. You don't have to run over there. She can't hit you when you're standing here.
That's not tanking the merchant.
Why is she taking like 15 damage? Like, where's that coming from? Is that your reflect?
She probably has, maybe.
I think you have a reflect. Oh, Beat's gonna die. No! No! Oh yeah, you can't be too careful with these, Oh my goodness!
Oh, I just died.
Were you on full def?
I think I got nuked.
Nuked? Go to the,
Yeah.
Okay, I'm still alive, so come back. Get your res can or whatever. I technically still have aggro with them, so...
How did I die?
Am I gonna win? Am I gonna do it? She's at like 20% health, so...
She just double hit me for 700.
Ow! That's an unlucky combo. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna survive. It's just gonna take a while. Yeah, you may want to get rebuffed, get all your things back, because I'm maintaining aggro on her, she's not healing, and I'm still here, and I still have 25 nano stims.
2.
And I still have hack and quack running, so... Oh! Ow! That was close. Come on, hack and quack. I think I could survive like one hit. The true enemy of the subway. Okay, let's heal up again. Oh, okay, I damaged her a little bit. Oh! Okay, she's only got 3 bubbles left. Oh! Ooh. I got hit for, 900 damage. And I survived.
I can't believe I died so fast.
Yeah, she hits really hard. I'm kind of exploiting the fact that the pathfinding is AIDS combined.
It went from hitting like 200 to hitting 700.
Yeah, the damage is getting really crazy. I don't think you're supposed to be able to kill them, which is why this is so fun. Okay, she's only got 3 bubbles left. I think I'm going to kill her. But you should probably come back to bask in the glory.
I'm trying to. I gotta...
I'll keep aggro on her as long as I can. And I'll only peek my head out when I'm at full health.
Can you pass lead to one of my characters so I can get NCU?
Yes.
From Biter.
Okay. Let's see here. Okay, she's at 2.5 bubbles. Ow. Okay. 2.2 bubbles. Okay. I'm waiting for my attack to fully recharge and my fast attack to come in before peeking my head out.
1 sec, I'll be there in a second. I'm just getting my MP buffs so my armor's not OE.
Oh my god. Also, I'm on full def, which helps. Oh, this is taking forever. I hope, like, her health doesn't just reset out of nowhere, you know?
Because you glitch it out.
Yeah. Which is why I'm standing real close to her. I'm also missing, like, most of the attacks. Okay, she's only got 1.5 bubbles left.
Okay, I'm coming.
I wonder if I could kill her solo like this. It would probably take a very long time. Okay. Is her health coming back? I hope not. Come on. Oh, Josh Biter's in the team? Okay.
Oh wait, let me...
Well, it doesn't matter, because my XP's off.
Running 2 tunes at the same time is kind of annoying.
Yeah, no shit. That's why follow exists.
I don't know why, it just doesn't work well. It's like, it's super laggy and warpy.
Oh my god. Am I gonna do it? She's at like 1.5 bubbles. I mean, the fact that I can survive a hit for 1,000 damage is just ridiculous. At like level 25, like give me a break, you know?
I'm back in the subway.
You're back! I'm still here. She's got 1 bubble left.
Oh, my Enforcer was full lag. That was a mistake.
Oh, that's probably why he died in like a second. Or less.
Forcer's not buffed.
Get lost while you can, J-Wub Twink. You're next. I don't think so. Wow, this is, are you fully rezzed?
Yep.
Okay, I think we can do it. I'm still here. Go! Hey, it's us again. Oh my god! We did it! What does she drop? What does she drop?
Nothing.
No! Her corpse disappeared. She didn't
Nah,
drop
I looted
anything.
her. She dropped nothing.
Wow. That's what we get. What a shame. Well, okay, I guess mission accomplished. Kill the shopkeeper with some 25s.
It only took 3 of us.
Granted, with yeah, but like, you know, I could have done it. It just would have taken forever. You know, now that I think about it, I'm not really a fan of attacking all the other ones. It might take a while.
We can try again.
You mean attack this one?
She looks kind of ugly.
It'd be funny if, like, after you kill them, they never respawn.
That'd be terrible.
Are you ready? Everyone's on full def again, right?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. We're doing so little damage. You know, Ed Beat is tanking a lot better. Alright, let me go full ag. Ow! Ow! Hello again! Why can't I heal you? Oh, am I out of nano? Yeah, I'm out of nano. Oops. You've got so much health, my heal barely touches you.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh. Wow, this one, I think this one's harder. Like, we were doing a lot of damage to the previous one really quick. We're doing the dance of death now. It'd be funny if, like, they dropped, like, 1 billion credits, like, as an Easter egg.
They dropped, like, a burn of confidence.
That'd be funny. Also, terrible game design, but yes.
I mean, but realistically, has anybody ever killed these?
Maybe? I mean, almost certainly. Like, the game's been around for a while. I bet someone's done it at some point. But damn, they hit hard.
I get you to full nano in 2 stems.
Oh, you have a lot of first aid skill?
153.
Oh my goodness!
Oh,
She
no.
hit you for 900 points of projectile damage, critical hit, after hitting me for fling for 500. So I almost died. Almost, but not quite. Oh my goodness, I died!
You died.
Yeah, I died. Oh no!
This is a lot harder without a doctor.